How to find the Binance Futures referral code. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily get to a referral code on Binance Futures. First thing you have to do is make sure you have a verified Binance account. Once you've done that, you're going to have to head over to the Futures tab on the second last option, right in between Trades and Wallet. Once you head over there, you have different options here, and all you have to do is find the three dots at the top right corner, right below leaderboard, and tap on it. It will bring out this pop-up menu. Now just tap on the earn bonus option right below announcements. And once you tap on it, you'll have an option to invite friends to Binance Futures. All you have to do here is just click on invite now. If you want to see the detailed rules, choose the second option here. And if you tap on invite now, you can see your referral stats. And if you scroll down a bit here, you have an option to invite friends. So just go ahead and tap on it. Then you can invite your friends now. If you want, you could also customize your code as well. So here you have your code as well as your link. Now, all you have to do is tap on customize to customize your own code as well as the link and tap on confirm. You could also download QR code for your referral as well as copy the referral link and paste it and give it to your friends. So what happens is when you do that, your friends they're gonna save 10% and you're gonna get a bonus 10%. So it's a split profit and it's gonna be a win-win situation for both. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.